In this video, we're going to take a look at an air pump. This is a portable air pump that was sent to us by SuperBars. This particular model is the Safe F1. Inside the box, you're going to find the pump itself. You're also going to find the air hose, a USB-C to C charging cable. They're also going to give you an adapter for your accessory outlet, and it also has an A and C. This is actually a 45-watt charger, so that's good to see. You're also going to get some adapters, the manual itself, and a carrying case. For size comparison in my hands, you can see how big the pump itself is. It's not very big, but it's definitely got a little bit of weight to it. From the top down, this is where you would screw the air hose into the unit, and this is actually a flashlight. Located on the bottom underneath the dust cover, you're going to find a couple of USB ports. It does charge by the USB-C port. There is also a USB-A port. Both of these ports could be used as output ports, and when I plug my cell phone into the USB-C, it does go into fast charging mode, so that's something we like to see. It does operate using these 6 buttons. Holding that power button down for 3 seconds will turn the unit on, and you can see that display is wonderful. It's very clear and easy to see. I'll also point out that this is considered a smart air pump. It does have an app that will function with this pump. The app just kind of lets you see what's going on. We're not going to be using the app today because I personally feel like in an emergency situation, you should not need the app to use the pump. To turn the flashlight on, you just press this particular button right here. The first click turns the flashlight on. The second click puts it into kind of like a strobe mode. The third click puts it into SOS mode. Hitting it again will turn it off. The M button sets the mode, and that's because there are presets built into the pump. It will turn itself off when the pressure is to its set point. As we walk through, you can see all the presets, and there is even a custom setting where you can set it. The button with the U on it is the units. We use PSI where I'm at, but if you need to change that, you can definitely change that setting as well. And then the plus and minus, that is where you can change the auto off on that preset, so you can change that to whatever you need. So on my car, I typically fill it to 36 psi, so we'll set that to 36 and the unit is ready to use. So I think a good test would be just to fill up one of my tires on one of my vehicles. I have drained all of the air out of this tire. It is currently registering 0 psi. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how long it takes to fill this back tire and see if it has enough battery power to do it. So yeah, so not only did it fill the tire to 36 psi, it shut itself off because that's what it was set to, and I don't know if you can see that, but the battery bars are still 4 out of 4. So it almost still has a full charge, which is incredible. So what are my final thoughts of the product? Well, I actually really like it. I think it's a great product. I love the fact that it has a lot of battery power. A lot of these that we have tested, well, the battery meter goes almost to 0 after we fill just one tire, and well, we still have 4 lights out of 4. I also like that you can charge other things with this device using either the A or C ports, and that A port does seem to have fast charging capabilities. Something else worth mentioning is after filling that tire, the device does not feel very hot, so it didn't seem to struggle to fill at least that particular tire. I also like the fact that they also include a way to charge it. Not all of our cars have high-speed USB-C charging ports, so this would definitely take care of that problem. Obviously, the presets and the flashlight are also a bonus, and everything fits nice and neat in this case, and it even has a separate pouch for all those accessories. I will put an affiliate link down below in case you're interested in purchasing one of these units. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.